Hey guys, so this is the Dyson Nura, and like I told you, I got it in the blues because that was the closest that I could get to match my ear wrap. I don't know what time it is right now, but it's super early in the morning, so I'm gonna show you guys how quick 4C here could get blown out with this bad boy. Okay, 4C here. Also, just real quick, this has cool function as well as a heat function, and I'll show you guys when I turn it on like how this looks. There's a scalp protection. Once you come super close to your scalp, it actually auto sets for you. And like I said, it doesn't, to me, it does get really hot, but I feel like it's still better to your hair as far as like the other blow dryers. So it keeps like the luster to the hair and all that good stuff. It's a little different because I haven't used this yet, but this is the Way detoxing shampoo. I bought it in the mini because I wasn't sure what I like feel about it, but I'm gonna use this to really get all of those oils out of my hair. I'm gonna strip my hair. I don't know if, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. And then I'm gonna have to put back the moisture and all that good jazz in it. So let me do what I do and I will come back and show you guys the blowout time. All right, beautiful people, so I am back. As you can see, yeah, it was a lot going on. I left the Way shampoo that I showed you guys earlier. I left that in the shower. Don't mind like right here, I'm trying to like heal a cut, so that's why I kind of got some like one side shiny and the other side is not. But yeah, y'all know I come on here looking crazy, but it's all out of love. I want to show you the real me. Okay, how I got this. My scalp is very clean right now, like y'all could see that. Y'all can see that. Yeah, let's get into it. So what we're gonna do, we'll start off with this section here. I forgot I actually have this Y2 comb from Dyson, so I'm gonna actually use this one instead of the one that I have. This was the one that came with the air wrap attachment that we're gonna use. Obviously we're not gonna use the I guess this is like focus attachment. We're gonna use the comb, good old handy dandy comb. Yeah, okay. Like I told you guys, you do have the cool setting, so you guys could see here the bottom is the cool attachment, the top is the power, and then you guys have the option. When I turn it on, you'll see how it starts off yellow, then I guess this is orange, and then it has a red one. So it's based off of how high you have this. Yeah, I'm sorry y'all, so I didn't feel like it made sense to talk while I was doing that, but you guys see what I'm talking about. Once you press that red button on the right side, that's what changes the styling intensity, so you can go from cool setting, medium, I guess, well, warm and hot. So we're gonna go on warm because I realized that did it for me last time. I didn't even have to go to hot, so we'll do that. I'm not gonna talk because you're not gonna hear me and we're gonna just blow it out so you guys could see. Okay, also timestamp, it's 10:39. You guys can really see, so it's 10:39 and we're gonna get into it. Alrighty y'all, so you guys can see this is like half the hair. Timestamp is 10:42. Yep, and that's that last little chunk. I don't really bone straight my hair just because I'm braiding it, so it doesn't really make sense to try to do too much. But as you guys can see, like how straight this bad boy can get, like come on. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the other side, y'all, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the entirety of what it gives. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result, as you can see, from my Dyson Nura. And OMG, y'all, like look at this, look at this, full healthy. And like I said, I didn't even use any product. I used no product after I washed my hair, y'all, and look how shiny this is. It still has the shine, still thick, still nice, ready for my braid down. So if you guys want to see like how I use the other extensions and tools like that, definitely comment down below. If you guys have a Dyson Supersonic and you guys want to share some of your tips and tricks, definitely comment down below. You guys, so as you can see, I got my mom to do some braids in the hair, and yeah, like come on, y'all, like let's get into it. That was just super easy. 11:32. That means this was a full hour time with me filming, with me doing everything, braids, everything. I was able to get all this done. So that is to show you the real, okay, with the Dyson, okay? That is really to show you how quick this, you know, goes. And I'm sorry she's in the background like talking, but I just had to just end it off showing you guys, like, once again, this is my new favorite baby. So thank you, Dyson, for making this, and I can't wait to show you guys what else is to come.